Yeah. See, now we gotta take the start off. We just took out the tray for the battery. And yeah, we just went and got our engine support ball, Harbor Freight, $79.99. Well needed. Save a whole lot of time.
Chains in the cut.
And safety.
See the chains?
Yeah, pretty much we finna stop, you know, unplugging some stuff. Probably get a couple pictures of it so we'll know which way to go back with it.
Now, if y'all are wondering, this is where the battery sit.
And actually, we're gonna try to do this without draining any radiator fluid, cause you know, what's the point of taking it out if you don't need to?
Right.
Don't fix it if it ain't broke. See, I know this little line right here. It gotta come up. I see.
What line is that?
That's the line, but it was taken off of here.
Now, if y'all can see, that looks to be what line?
Oh yeah.
Right, make sure you don't want to break nothing. Just make sure you're taking it off the correct way.
Try to anyway.
Yeah.
Coming from, okay. I think that's the line that runs to the bottom of the, what is it called? Motor mount. The front motor mount. Some people have this vacuum on their front motor mounts. And I actually changed mine, so that's why it's not plugged up. I remember clipping this one.
The main thing what you're doing is
memorize.
Yep. It's easy, simple. We watched a couple videos on YouTube, but they didn't show y'all everything. We're gonna try to get y'all the walkthrough of each step because we know a lot of people having the same problem and they tired of spending all that money.
Hey, hold on. Why get rid of it and get another one if I might run into the same problem?
And you can possibly fix it yourself.
Yeah. I gotta find out where was this line coming from. Okay. I think that's the line that runs to the bottom of the, what is it called? Motor mount. The front motor mount. Some people have this on their front motor mounts. And I actually changed mine, so that's why it's not plugged up. I remember. Pop all the way out the transmission.
But it's a line to the on top of the transmission, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can pop it out.
Okay. We didn't see that on the video. Did you see that on the video?
Yeah, man, go and get your last in.
Oh, no.
It's hot as fuck.
Ooh-wee. What they call it?
I
done heard Richard Pryor, Samuel L. Jackson, Michael Jackson's oldest brother. But yeah,
Cut real quick.
3.0 VTEC.
Cut real quick. So we know exactly what it is. Plug back in.
Now what's that?
Plug in.
Look like one of the connectors to the, if you can see, to one of the sensors on top of the motor.
That ain't good.
What?
Got it broken.
Okay.
See it?
Oh, the top piece missing. See? The clamp for it.
And actually, the reason we're changing this one, you can kind of hear it whine. It got a little whine to it when you crank it up. And after it warm up, it don't cool.
So if you're experiencing that problem,
The light come on the P0740. And that's a sign that will
on your Honda Accord.
03 to 2017 is it?
2003 to 2007.
Yeah.
That's right?
Yeah.
Pretty much having the same problem.
I'll probably get what's the name of the product? I don't know. I know I got to take some of this out for the other transmission. I know this pressure solenoid is broke.
But y'all basically see what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead.
It get a bit tough getting out though. cut, motherfucker. I said cut.
What?
Cut the video.
What's that happen? What's going on?
I can't get that goddamn shit.
We ran into a little small problem. It's nothing simple. Nothing major. But we'll get back to y'all when we get to it.
I'm one of your gloves over here.
Oh yeah, I ain't put both of them on.
Misery loves company.
We are getting this transmission out so we can put that one in. You feel me? Stay tuned, dog. I don't mean to blow smoke in y'all face, but yeah. We're gonna give y'all raw footage, man, cause they ain't show all this in these videos. I'm gonna give y'all a good cut scene of how this shit really, you really run into spots sometimes. We took the front one out. As y'all can see, the boat's gone. Alright. We got those boats right there left. I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me set the camera so you can see. Tight spot right now. But yeah. Disconnected all the wires up that way. Okay, got that boat. And that boat used to be 13. So, back with an update on the transmission. That's how far we done got. I don't know if you guys can see, you know, but transmission is gone. Transmission is out of there. And we did not remove the exhaust. But what we did have to remove was the bolt from the inside. Let me show you. The inside. This one goes to the steering column. It's a 10mm nut that goes to it. Move that and this line to the power steering pump. This one here goes to the cooler. We put a spark plug in there to keep the fluid in it still. But yeah, other than that.
Oh, and this is actually better if you drop the crate and let it hang a little bit before you loosen that nut that's on the inside. You can get to it a little bit better. On the inside, you'll be done strip the boat trying to get to it like that.
Yep, so you drop the crate just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Not enough to damage
The bearings and that.
not the bearings, but not enough to damage the shit. Cause they give you a little slack. You can play with it a little bit.
And they didn't tell y'all that in these videos.
Hell no, they ain't.
They didn't tell y'all about none of that in these videos. But y'all can see. Frames right there. Transmission. Right there.
Everything
Take a good look. Y'all seen it when it was in the car. It's gone now. But you gonna be able to update, right?
Oh yeah, it'll be through tomorrow.
Yep.
Gotta get torque converter seal, like 6 things, the transmission fluid. I think it's 3 for the torque converter, 3 for the transmission, something like that. Hell, and that about sums it up. And I gotta get the axle pulley. You know, the little
pull the other
fork,
one out.
the little fork that you stick in there and just tap it and pull that shit straight out. So we won't have to do all that. Take
Other
that
stuff.
boot off that boot. Nah, they got to run on tubers. Tap it one good time. You know, shit go.
But other than that, guys, y'all can see. They told you
Not to do it at home.
it's being done.
They told you wrong. And by the way, it ain't taking us long because it's been
Certain
raining like a
tools
motherfucker.
and certain
it ain't
tools.
even the tools. It's been raining like hell. We could got it.
Don't let them lie. Certain tools came up missing.
Yeah, there ain't no certain. It's just,
We got hit.
I'm pretty sure everybody's coming with that one. It goes missing everywhere.
That was the only tool with a lock on it. Only one.
But all
Crazy.
right, you two, we're finna go eat some lunch and dinner at the same time.
See the little heater? Had the little heat going.
Yeah, we got the heat. I'm gonna come back out and
But I think we gonna put the transmission in, like as far as get it up in there tonight, and the rest we gonna do tomorrow, right?
we'll update you tomorrow.
Okay, so this is day 2, and what we got right here, bro?
He killed him. He got up and ran.
Basically, this is the A-frame. This is the second day of work.
Killed that nigga a long time ago.
Okay, and
What killed you talking?
just not getting this far. It is. What time is it? What time is it?
What killed you talking about? Shot who is killed?
Oh, from the hood. But
From the hood.
yes. So far, that's all we got. As you can see, there's no frame. Let me fix this camera a little bit for you. I can see a little bit
You
more.
do that today?
Okay. All right, that's that. See, we're using the support frame. If y'all doing this, make sure y'all use the support frame. Okay, I'm about to go up on here and show y'all how far we done got and what's left. But just to know, we did not disconnect the exhaust. We went around that because we feel like we didn't have to. But yeah, all we did was disconnect from here, those 3 bolts. Those 3 bolts. Now we gotta do is take this off. This bolt, and we got 1 in the back, I think. 2 in the back, I think. And this bolt, no. Yeah, we gotta take this bolt off. That bolt off. This bolt off. Let me show you. And it's another bolt up there. I think you can. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. And we don't forget, you got to disconnect the rack and pinion mount. It's 1 bolt and it's 10 millimeter. A lot of videos we watched, they didn't tell you about that. I didn't see that they tell you about it. You got to disconnect that in order to take the whole rack and pinion out with the frame.